Hey guys, this week's video is going to be a Yandy.com Halloween costume DIY haul. So what's great about Yandy is they're not only my favorite place to find Halloween costumes, but they also make it easier for you to put your costumes together. They have a Yandy DIY shop where you can literally pick out the outfits, pick out the color, size, and the quantity, add them to your cart, and you're done. Not only do they have that, they also have costumes that are already put together that you can make your own with the addition of accessories and things like that. So before I get started, you guys can always use my Yandy discount, which is Aubrey _Red _20, and it's 20% off the entire Yandy website. So not only just these costumes, but anything on Yandy's website, you can get a 20% off. So I will leave links to all these items in the caption below, but just be sure to check that out, and let's get started and see how all these costumes turned out. So this first outfit I call Heaven on Earth. So it's basically like a DIY angel costume. What's great is all of these pieces are in Yandy's DIY shop. So literally you just pick out the pieces, pick out the color, size, quantity, click add to cart, and you're done with your own custom costume. So in this costume, what I have is white fishnets, a white bodysuit that's kind of like a one shoulder off the shoulder, just kind of easy bodysuit. Then we have this gold and blinged out kind of headdress to be similar to kind of like a halo, as well as some kind of body jewels that you can kind of put anywhere. I just put her on my eyes and on my shoulder. And last but not least is the angel feather wings. So of course, angels need their wings. I love this. It's so easy to put on. It is a little bit heavy, but once you get it on, it stays in place. The wings kind of come folded, you unfold them, and then they have these white lace ties that go around each of your shoulders. So it's super secure, it's in place, it's not going anywhere. I will say you have to watch out where you're walking because I've run into the wall or into the camera like 3 times already. But I think that these angel wings definitely make the costume. And then I just added, I already own these little white booties just to make it an all white Heaven on Earth angel costume. So this is the Violent Warfare Ninja costume. It comes with the mask, the bodysuit, and then this kind of belt, I don't know what you call it, belt sash that kind of goes down the front and down the back. So that's it. So to make it my own, I also added the black fishnets, and then I already had some black thigh-high boots, which you guys know I love wearing thigh-highs for Halloween. I do think that this costume is missing like some kind of weapon, like a sword or something like that to make the ninja costume complete. But other than that, it's pretty much just easy as is. So this one isn't exactly a DIY, but you can always customize any costume from Yandy to make it your own. This costume honestly makes me feel like I'm in Mortal Kombat. So I thought it was pretty fitting because that is something that I like. So this costume isn't too revealing. I mean, you do have the sides open, but it's a complete bodysuit. The front and the back are covered, and you can always wear some kind of tights or fishnets to cover it up a little bit more. Add your own weapon, and this outfit is complete. So this is one of Yandy's pirate costumes. What it comes with is there is a pair of briefs under here. The skirt that has this chain attached, it is removable. This top that you can lace up however tight you want. It has the cutouts already. And then also this kind of head wrap bandana. And the bandana's red and has the gold skull and crossbones. So to complete this costume, I pretty much use the same kind of add-ons as the last costume. I have black fishnets, I have my black thigh-high boots, and then also I think that this costume is missing like a sword. You could use a sword. Pirates go looking for buried treasure or gold, so I think maybe either gold or a treasure chest would be fun to customize this costume and make it your own. But I love that Yandy kind of has these costumes that are already put together, but it still lets you kind of add your own style to it. So that is the pirate costume. Thank you guys so much for watching my Yandy DIY Halloween costume haul. Please be sure to comment, let me know what you thought of the costumes I put together. Also, let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween this year. I'd like to know which outfits you guys are putting together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so you can be part of my notification gang. Also, if you would like extra content, extra exclusive content that I don't post anywhere else, please be sure to check out my Patreon and my Cameo. Both of the links are in the caption below. Thank you guys so much for watching.